Ever noticed how big financial brands use quizzes to educate users and build trust, not just share information? A great example is this personal finance quiz by Marcus. It starts with a simple hook. How well do you know personal finance? Take our quiz and learn something new, or pat yourself on the back for answering these questions correctly. It's informative, interactive, and keeps users engaged while subtly building financial awareness. This kind of experience works well, but there's still room to make it even more personalized and actionable. Many quizzes educate users but stop at right or wrong answers without offering tailored guidance or next steps based on individual performance. This is where the experience can be improved. Customers today expect guidance that feels relevant to their situation, not just a list of answers. And that's where Outgrow comes in. With Outgrow, you can create a seamless and personalized credit score quiz in minutes. Once you log into Outgrow, you can start with the AI Assistant. Simply choose the AI marketing tools and prompt it to create a credit score quiz. In seconds, Outgrow generates a complete quiz draft with relevant questions. From there, you can open it under the Build tab. In the Build tab, you can easily edit every question, customize answer options, and mark the correct answers for each question. Then you can navigate to the results screen and click on Add Variable to display the final score as a percentage, giving users a clear, easy to understand credit score style result. You can also add a lead generation form directly on the outcome page to collect details like full name and email, turning the quiz into a powerful engagement and data capture tool. In the overall design section, you can fully brand the experience by adding your logo, brand colors, and backgrounds to match your company's identity. Once you're happy with the experience, simply preview the quiz and click Go Live. And that's how you can create quizzes and calculators similar to what big financial brands are using, turning a simple AI-generated credit score quiz into a fully branded, personalized, conversion-ready experience using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Start your 7-day free trial today and create interactive quizzes that engage, personalize, and convert.